Welcome guys. In today's video I want to show you how to trade news on Euro USD. So take a look at this chart, see the support area, and here is the resistance area. So you can see we have a break of structure right here. Here the market form a fake trend break and retest back into the trend. So at this point I'm looking to short Euro USD. So guys, I'm measuring how many pips I'm to catch and measuring where to take my TP. Yes, yeah, I marked my take profit at this spot. This was how I short Euro USD. So right now, alright, let's wait for the news. News released. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, so guys, this is how to trade news.